Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2025 CFMOTO UFORCE 1000. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. We're going to start off right on the front with that open trail plow from KFI. We absolutely love this plow system. It's super easy to take on, take off once that initial install is done. How do you do it? You're going to loosen up the winch, unhook the winch, pull these two pins, and simply drive away. Gotta love that. It's also easy to notice the Ryco Street Legal Kit is installed on this machine. If you're familiar with Ryco, they make a phenomenal street legal kit. Down will be left. You do have the indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know those turn signals are on. These are integrated into the display. It also has the four-way hazard function. Ties into all those bright LEDs on the rear. You also have your license plate mount as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button is integrated right into the end. Also on this machine, we've installed the glass windshield from CFMOTO. What we love about it, automotive glass. We love the venting capabilities. You can slide a louver on the inside back and forth. This also has the windshield wiper and washer fluid kit that we've installed. The full side doors, electric windows. That's right, electric. Very nice, very nice. And the full glass back window. We've also wanted to keep the occupants warm. We have installed the Inferno cab heater system. Very nice. Low, off, and high. And we have the Bluetooth sound system from CFMOTO. It utilizes MB Cord. There's the little slider there. Get you some airflow on a nice hot summer day. Windshield wiper, no problem. Very nice. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you'd like to make one of these bad boys yours, we got you covered. 2025s are rolling in by the minute. Gotta love it. Have a great day, everybody. Mark, enjoy.